This week we are at Creekshaw in Royse City, 400 homes. This is phase 2, and the prices are starting just in the 300s. Let's go take a look. Hey, I'm Scott Baxter, your local Dallas realtor with Relocating to Dallas, where I find you the best deals around the DFW area. I am really concentrating on the east side lately. I swear I'm gonna get every single neighborhood done on this side. And I haven't tackled Royse City very much, and I'm going in hot. I got Waterscape, you've probably already seen that, that's out. And now we're doing Creekshaw, and Creekshaw is a little bit smaller than Waterscape. Creekshaw is about 400 homes, has a beautiful pool right behind me, has this great playground, has fishing ponds, pocket parks, walking trails, has everything you need on 40 and 50 foot lots, starting at just $300,000, going up into the 4s. I didn't even see anything in the 5s really. They have a lot of move-in ready homes here for both builders. We have Highland homes, which are pretty much on closeout, I believe. They have about 7 different homes you can move into. And we have David Weekley homes. Now, I happen to live in a David Weekley home, so I can say, hey, yeah, that's a great builder. Highland Homes is obviously a really good builder, so you can have 2 really good builders in here. So the house quality you're gonna get is amazing. They have 1 and 2 stories on the 40 and 50 foot lots. I would say that David Weekley is gonna have the 50 foot lots and then some 40 foot lots. And Highland Homes is on 40 foot lots. And there are some beautiful homes to see today, guys. We're gonna go through 3 model homes. 2 1-stories and then a 2-story. And I gotta tell you, some good stuff going on here. I'm gonna show you all around this neighborhood, and let's go take a look. Okay guys, we're gonna head over into the neighborhood of Creekshaw. I'm gonna show you exactly what kind of houses we're looking at here. And there's some 2-stories, just not a lot of, this is not a cheap neighborhood by any means, guys. This has some really nice builders in it. Highland Homes rated #1 a lot, and David Weekley Homes, and I can attest to those guys that they build a good house because I've been living in one for quite a while and it's holding up really good. So both are gonna have, you can literally flip a coin. Just depends which one you like better when you come and visit. And you can see right here, we are gonna be in Royse City ISD. It's a B+ ISD. And 40 and 50 foot lots, you know, it's for the 300,000 or 400,000. So you want that nice Texas price that everybody talks about. And hey, I want to get into a house for 300,000 or 400,000, maybe mid-4s for the 2 stories, and anywhere starting at $299 starting price for the 1 stories. Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be that neighborhood, guys, and it's about 30 minutes, 20 minutes from Rockwall. And if you need to commute, they are working on that I-30, and they're widening it all the way to Dallas. So you're gonna have a easier commute once that's done. It should be done in 2027 sometime, so actually pretty soon. This is July 2026. And looking good. All right, let's go visit these houses. All right, guys, our first house is the David Weekley home. This is the Heron. This is actually a 2-story home starting at $354,900, 2174 to 2406 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 full bath, 2-car garage. They do have some move-in ready homes available of this one. This one shows really nice, guys. And I'm gonna show you this one first, because this is a 2-story on a 40-foot product. I gotta say, it is very, very nice. As soon as you walk in the front door, there's your front door. Then you're gonna have your garage right at the front. It is front entrance garage still on a 40-foot product. A lot of them are rear entrance on a 40-foot product. Here is your office as soon as you walk in. And here is your bathroom. Then this is first bedroom here. And this is gonna have walk-in closet. Right as you walk in, I'm just gonna go over here real quick, just so we know what's over here. This is your laundry room on the other side of the house, not next to all of the bedrooms, so you're gonna have plenty of cooling space plenty of space before you have the noise going on. All right, here is the living room area. This really opens up. Here's our kitchen area with a it's kind of put sideways there. I've seen David Weekley do this before, and I really do like it. Kind of gives it a different angle on how you're looking out. And this has lots and lots of storage space here. So I'm really liking how they do this angled kitchen. There's your dining room, and then it opens up into a really large and spacious living room, which I know you guys like. You always ask me for the open concept. I mean, for a 40-foot wide house, this does not feel like a 40-foot wide house. So on the 40-foot lot, that means it's 35-foot wide house, which is, they've done a good job of engineering here to make this feel really spacious inside. And this is the primary bedroom. Here's the primary bath, 2 sinks, very large shower with top shower as well. And then here's an oversized closet for you. One closet. And then there's the bathroom right here. All right, just to let you know, HOA in this neighborhood is $600 a year. And that also is the tax rate here. Does include a PID. That'll help pay for everything as far as the amenities go. And it's 2.4%. All right, here is the upper game room, overlooking all that. And we're gonna have 2 bedrooms up here. Beautifully well done. I'll show you in the closet, just because oversized closets. These 2 will share this bathroom right here. And then here is another bedroom. More of your standard closet in that bedroom. All right, guys, if you want this house, they do have a move-in ready, 2174 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, ready now at $362,990. Call me at 945-244-0342 or hello@dallasrelocationteam.com. And if you're interested in this house. All right, let's go to the next David Weekley home. Okay, our next David Weekley home is called the Blue Bonnet. 1 or 2 story, 3 bedrooms, 2 to 3 full baths, 0 to 1 half bath, and 2 car garage, starting at $368,990. Now this is gonna be on the 50-foot lot, 2301 square feet. They're looking at, for the move-in ready, anywhere from $409,990 to $414,990. And I'm seeing one for $417,990 as well. Now they have take 7% off the base price. Use it however you want. It's on a 50-foot wide lot. Okay, right as you walk in the front door, we're gonna have an office right here. And then we're rolling into your laundry room right here. This will be your office space, your garage space right there. Turned into an office space right now. This is a mud room. And then this just opens up ridiculously huge. That's what I really like about this. If you're walking back here and you're coming right into here, look how spacious this is. This is really, really spacious. Scott-approved food closet. Wow, impressive. They even have cookies there. Holy moly, there's a cookie. And look at all this window and light and space. Just very, very open. Guys, I'm really liking this plan right here for a 1-story. It's really, really spacious. I mean, look at your big dining table there. Look at everything that you can hang out in this giant wide space. Let's go over here into a sitting room. Look at that. An extra room for sitting room. Another space for people to hang out at. And this is another bedroom. See a regular sized closet on that one. So this is a bedroom off a hangout space, and this is a bedroom off the hangout space. And they're using this as a They're showing you the advanced wall system here. And this is the 2x6 construction you get with David Weekley. You can get more insulation with that 2x6 construction. It allows another 2 inches. And then it's a termite and insect pre-treatment. And then they also put the foam insulated sheathing on the outside. So that's like double, right? That's double. This is your regular used home construction here, 2x4s with just, you know, standard framing. This is 2x6 framing, and you'll notice it, guys. You will notice it. This is a bathroom right here, right off the living room. And that's beautiful. Just, everybody wants like an open concept. This is definitely it. And the primary bedroom is in the very back, which is good and very spacious here. And then it goes into the primary bathroom, 2 sinks. You have a nice shower head here. Goes down, nice shower. Roomy closet. And then the toilet. Let's go outside and see what we got here. Nice covered area, not too much yard. You got a small dog or something, be perfect. Don't want to deal with too much yard. This is a good quality build, open concept. And shoot, the move-in readies are anywhere from $409 to $417,990. Plus, we can probably negotiate off those guys. 945-244-0342. Hello at DallasRelocationTeam.com. Call me if you want to get into a house like this. Let's go over to Highland Homes. All right, guys, our last house of the day is Highland Homes, the Bristol. It is 1 story, 1,885 square feet, 4 bed, 3 bath, 2 car garage. They have a move-in ready now for $375,915, and you are going to get that Highland Homes quality that you think you're gonna get. You'll get it with this one. This one is on a 40-foot lot. And let's hit all these rooms first before we go. This is gonna be your laundry room straight on the front. Closet. 2 car garage is gonna be right here. Little study area here. And bathroom. Full bath right there. And we have a room right here with a walk-in closet. All right. And here is your hangout area. One big, long, spacious area. And it has a little bit of a wall there with just a little bit of rounded at the top. It's a nice look. Arches. And this is your dining room. Goes straight into the kitchen, all one area. So everybody can talk to each other. Nobody's stuck in the kitchen off to the side, feeling alone, while everybody else is watching TV or something. You can still have a nice conversation. Nice side cushions to sit on. All right, let's go into the primary bedroom on this one. Yeah, this is very nice. The Bristol. Very tall ceilings. Got a tray ceiling there. And then, look at this, freestanding tub, obviously privacy glass needed there. And then we have this tile work all the way up is nice. Tall ceilings in here as well. 8-foot doors all around in this model. And there's the closet. And here is the bathroom. So this is a great one, guys. And we'll go into the backyard and check out what's going on back here. Small little yard, got all this. So if you don't want to take care of too much of yard, maybe you're downsizing. This is a really good quality build to downsize in, guys. Really digging it. And if you want, you can get a hold of me, 945-244-0342 or hello at DallasRelocationTeam.com if you're interested in a house like this with Highland Homes in Royse City. Now that was Highland Homes, guys. And we did 2 David Weekley and a Highland. Now these guys have numerous houses right now, like 20 different ones that they're move-in ready. So if you're in for a move-in ready home right now, this is the place to go to. They have so many different ones to choose from, and phenomenal builders. David Weekley and Highland are both phenomenal. I highly suggest all of them. These are Scott approved builders. They are above a lot of other builders in my book. So if you're looking for some quality build, not too big of lots, not too big a house, in the 3s to 4s, this is it, guys. Give me a call, all right? Let's wrap this up. All right, guys, that does it for this week. Thanks for watching. You can get a hold of me at 945-244-0342 or hello@dallasrelocationteam.com if you want to get into Creekshaw here. If you have other needs for other types of neighborhoods like this, I got a lot of them, guys. Just get a hold of me. We'll have a conversation. We'll figure out the best one for you in your price range and where you want to be. Anyways, if you want to jump down the rabbit hole on my other videos, have a look right here. See you next time, guys.